Hello, my name is Grant Wilson. I own GJW Accounting and Tax Service. This is step 6. Finally, we are going to create our NACHA file for us to send to the bank and email our vendors the remittances. So we left off here with our NACHA file generator. We had pasted all the information from the check run here. So step 1 is check for errors. What it's going to do is it's going to check every vendor name to see if they're being paid by ACH, or if they are being paid by ACH, that there is an account and routing numbers, as well as the account type and also an email address. If there's not, you cannot proceed any further until you fix those errors. If you do get an error here, the most common issue is that you have to re-export a vendor name list and then rerun step 1. Create the NACHA file. We'll get a no errors found. The NACHA file will be created. This is the directory. It's in the C drive, the GJW QB NACHA folder. Step 3 is where we send the remittances. So the NACHA file will not be created until the remittances are sent. We click this button. This is the button where it might take a little bit of time. This is generating all the statements that it's going to send to the vendors, and it's also going to email them out. Here you can see that they've been created and emailed. We also get a reconciliation sheet, which I talked about before. I hate the new Adobe with the tool window here. Basically, this is a summary of all the payments that you sent, and the total amount of the payments, and the total amount of the ACH draft that will come out of your account, as well as a tracking number that will be given to your vendors as well. So if they have a question, you'll be able to track down which payment they're talking about. This will be saved for you in the reconciliation reports. I'll show you real quick. Reconciliation reports right there, and then your NACHA file is saved right there. Again, the C drive, GJW QB NACHA folder. Alright, so all the remittances have now been emailed. I forgot to mention, if you do follow the sample here and you want to test the software out, make sure you enter an email address for the vendors in the vendor file. If you have 2 email addresses, enter one so it can be sent by one and received by one, or just make up a Gmail account real quick just so you can test it out. Otherwise, you will get an error message on this step. So after you're done with this, you can reset the file, which will erase all of this information, as well as any temporary files that were created. From here, you could copy and paste a new check run. You can do ACH files for up to a year in advance. As you can see, don't worry about these lines. These lines can stay there. They're not going to cause a problem. And then the NACHA file. Right here is the NACHA file that we created. You will most likely, it depends on the bank, but most likely upload this file right here to your bank's website. So, if you are done, you can click Close File. It will save any information which it needs to save, and it will clear out all the rest. I think that's about it. I will have 1 or possibly 2 more videos just on little troubleshooting issues. But otherwise, I hope all these videos have helped you. If you do have any problems, please contact me. I really want this software to work for you. And again, thank you for viewing the videos. And once again, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you.